So today we're going to look at using the pivot table builder and coefficient to take a data set like this one from Hubspot and turn it into a quick report. So if you don't have the coefficient add-on array pulled up on the side, just click on extensions, coefficient, and launch. Or you can click open sidebar from your import that we imported using the coefficient add-on. So when you have the add-on pulled up, go ahead and click on GPT Copilot and Pivot Builder. And now you can just do two things. First of all, we're going to select our data range. And then instead of dragging it all the way to the bottom, I'm just going to go over here and delete that 9, and it will automatically fill in the rest. And then this is the Chat GPT Pivot Builder, and so you can just type in some prompts to get what you want. And now we can describe the pivot we want to make here for the pivot table. You can click on this link here to see examples or prompts or examples down below. But basically, you can use natural language to describe what you want to see, and it's going to automatically process using AI to determine the pivot table it's going to make. And so, for example, with this data, maybe we want to see our deal revenue and number of deals by lead source and by month. And so let's just say summarize deal revenue and count of deal revenue by lead source, and then let's pivot by month. Click build, then we can click insert, and now we can see our deal revenue and count of deal revenue in our table. So this one labeled it as deal revenue as well. We can just say number of deals here, and then it updates those columns accordingly. Another thing to see is that it saves your history of pivot tables here in case you want to reuse them or modify them later. All right, hopefully that gives you some ideas on how to use the new pivot table tool